Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro just about to arrive, getting a new Pixel 5 right now is bound to result in instant buyer's remorse. Judging from all the rumors, the Pixel 6 platform will be a gigantic leap forward in terms of power, performance, features, and design. That said, Google's new flagship class phones will also likely have sky-high sticker prices to match. The question is though, just how far ahead of its predecessor will the Pixel 6 be? That fact is important because it'll determine whether you should drop your older Pixel immediately for Google's latest and greatest. Heck, if the Pixel 6 is all it's cracked up to be current, then Pixel 5 owners will be tempted too. So no matter where you are in the Pixel phone upgrade cycle, knowing how well the Pixel 6 devices will stack up is imperative. Here's how we expect Google's Uber handsets will compare with last year's model. When the Pixel 5 debuted last October, it came with a $699 price tag. But with all the advanced components the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro should boast, all bets are off. Google typically offers its latest Pixel for the same price the previous Pixel cost. This time around though, Google reportedly is angling to snatch premium phone market share away from Apple and Samsung. The Galaxy S21 ranges in price from $799 to $1,379. Similarly, the iPhone 12 costs anywhere from $799 to $949 depending on how you configure, so it's a good call the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro will also demand top dollar. All of Google's previous Pixel phones, including the Pixel 5, were deliberately designed not to distract from their screens. In the user's eye, the hardware was meant to drop away, serving as a mere vehicle for Google's Android software. Not so with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, minted in multiple splashy colors and apparently sporting glossy metal highlights. Both handsets are clearly built to get noticed. That's a lot more visually exciting than the Pixel 5's two modest hues of just black and sorta sage. One of the biggest improvements to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro will be their imaging systems. Physically, they're a lot bigger than the camera hardware you'll find on the Pixel 5. In fact, these new cameras are so large they reside in a raised bar on the backside of each phone. They run the entire width of each handset too. And if the word on the street is true, there's a reason for the extra bulk. Rumor has it that the Pixel 6 camera platform is built around a massive main 50-megapixel sensor with a wide-angle lens. Both phones should have the 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and sensor combos. The Pixel 6 Pro though will set itself apart with an additional 48-megapixel telephoto camera. Either handset's camera system should run rings around the Pixel 5's hardware. That device ships with 16-megapixel ultra-wide and 12.2-megapixel dual-pixel main camera sensors. In another seismic break from the past, the Pixel 6 phones will run in-house silicon. Specifically, at the heart of both the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro is Google's new Tensor SoC system on chip. Designed personally by Google engineers, much like Apple does with its A-series mobile chips, the Tensor is tailor-made for Android. The result should be snazzed-up computing and video processing performance. Hopefully, this won't come at the expense of battery life either. Google hasn't yet released details about Tensor's speeds and feeds. That said, compared to the off-the-shelf Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G on the Pixel 5, this custom chip will likely be a big improvement. That is it guys, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.